Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in today's lecture, I will discuss about how to use count compare block and also subtraction block with using CTU counter up. In my previous lecture, and you can see in my last videos, I discussed about CTU means counter up and add block with using add block, how to use add block with. So our problem is here we have two counter. Problem is here we have two counter will be controlled by individual input. That question it question just like previous question, but in this question in its problem like previous problem that is upload on my YouTube channel. But in this problem, so what is the problem is here we have two counters. Okay, both counter will be controlled by individual digital input. So just like previous question or previous just like previous question or previous just like previous problem. So our requirement is if counter first value is 13 and second value is 20, if both combination value is 30, both combination value is 10, if both combination value is 10, then LED will be on. So let's how to will be it's possible. So it's simple. In this problem we used compare block and also mathematical block. So take a one run and take another, so not create another input, just delete is previous, modify its previous program is what will be question is here if first value is 30 and second value is 20. So first value is 30 and second value is 20. So if both combination of value is 10, then LED will be on. So both combination of value will be 10. So if change from equal to if change from here add to subtract, and if 30 minus 20 is equal to 10, and if its value is when subtract, here change SUB subtract. So if A minus B, A minus source A minus source B, so source C is destination, not equal, and if counter one accumulator value is not equal to 10, compile. So Now counter 1 is not equal to 10. Counter 1 is not, when counter 1 is not equal to 10, then supply goes from here to here, LED number 17. But if counter 1 value increases from 10 to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and counter to values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we will see, we can see when both counter value equal to the 10, if both counter combination value is the 10 equal to the 10, so LED is on. So thank you for watching my video. If you learn or if you like of my video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, have a nice day and never miss update. Keep learning, keep going.